Okay, I got a little bit more work done on the Tasca M4A1. Not a lot, but made some progress. What I did was I got the fuel caps on, and I've got the rear decking on. And what's neat about this kit is you actually get the underneath the armored fuel caps, you actually get the fuel cap. So that's always neat. The only thing I would recommend is when you're putting this together and there's a piece of photo etch on the bottom, and I had a hard time getting the photo etch on. Maybe it was me, maybe the way the directions were set up. But what I ended up doing was I assembled the back plate, put the armored caps on, I put the cover on, glued the plate in place, and then turned around and just dropped the photo etch in from this side, and it made it a lot easier. So if that helps you out, hopefully it will. If not, it's just the way I built it, and there may be another way to do it, but I found that was the best way. There was also, I did put one of these little guys in. Normally I don't like to put these in at somebody else's house because those are the kind of things I drop on the floor. This is part of the hatch hinge, and it's going to look nice when it's built up, but it's very small. I've still got to put the other one on, but overall this is a nice kit. And I put the Grouser vent covers on, so I haven't put the photo etch on with them, and I'll probably get that done this Sunday. All right, thanks for stopping by. You guys enjoy the day.